Johns Hopkins University has been monitoring the outbreak of COVID-19 and they've been mapping the infections on this map. And we can see now this figure. Over 81,000 cases of the virus have been confirmed worldwide. And this, of course, is the tragic one. Over 2,700 people have died from the disease. Now, it's important to stress that daily the number of new infections is starting to drop, but the virus is spreading further across the globe. For the first time over the last 24 hours, a case was reported and confirmed in Latin America, in Brazil. But also, if we look in Europe, now for the first time, we've had cases confirmed in Croatia, Switzerland and Austria. Evelyn Laverick can talk us through more of the story.
Austria joins the club no one wants to be a member of, countries which have cases of the new coronavirus. A couple has been quarantined in a hospital in Innsbruck. The town is a skiing destination for many Europeans, and with schools on half-term holiday, tourism is complicating the struggle to contain the virus. In the UK, children returning from a break in northern Italy, Europe's worst affected country, have been sent home from school while the buildings have a deep clean. On Spain's island of Tenerife, hundreds of hotel guests are in lockdown after an Italian tourist was hospitalised in a suspected case. It's causing anxiety among locals.
I shouldn't be complaining and saying to my son, who lives in Milan, that we are suffering here the same way. But this is something that can easily happen, given the large flow of people travelling and the tourism we have here.
La mobilità delle persone con los turismos que vienes aquí es fácil.
The vast majority of infections remain in China, the epicentre of the outbreak, but now over 40 countries have reported cases. The virus is no respecter of borders, and the new clusters are increasing concerns in some of the wealthiest nations in Europe and Asia, as well as those with fewer resources. In Iran, where more people have died from the virus than anywhere outside China, the head of the country's task force has tested positive after appearing ill. He later posted a video online promising to bring the virus under control within weeks, but officials are refusing to impose quarantines. And the Shia shrine at the city of Qom, which attracts millions of pilgrims, is still open, despite it being a hotbed of the virus. Meanwhile, officials from the World Health Organization returning from a mission to China have advised governments to prepare for a further spread of the virus. A quick response and the equipping of hospitals will be key in meeting the challenge. Evelyn Laverick, Euronews.